So this is going to be a taping for the ankle to try and offload her peroneal tendon, which is getting some pain coming down the outside of the foot. And also the fact that her arch collapses inward. As her arch collapses, it feeds into a little bit more stress or strain on that tendon. So first, we'll have her leg out straight. And a quick wipe off of the skin with an alcohol wipe so the tape will stick, just in case she's wearing any kind of lotion. Alright, so her pain is a little bit more down where that peroneal tendon inserts on the outside of her foot. So I'm going to take a small strip of tape, probably about 4 to 5 inches. I'm going to tear a little piece of paper off the edge. I'm going to come right down underneath the outside of her ankle, right along the back of her heel. So I'll wrap just behind her heel and Achilles tendon. I'll peel a little bit of the paper off the tape. And as I come around, I'm applying just light stretch as I cross that peroneal tendon underneath her lateral malleolus. And then no stretch at the end as I just lay it on the top of her foot. So just a light, small piece of tape to try and decrease a little bit of that pull of that tendon on the outside of her foot and ankle. I'm going to come around this way. Now the other pieces are going to meant to promote a little bit more inversion through her ankle because as she runs, her foot collapses outward. So 2 pretty long strips, I would say a little over a foot, maybe even 1.5 feet. I'll tear a little tab of paper off the tape. I'm going to start off putting this on the outside of her lower leg. Just laying it on the outside of her shin. I'm going to peel back some paper off of the tape. And then kind of like she's already doing, I want her foot just a little bit of inversion. And then not really much stretch at all as I come down the outside of her ankle. And then as I come down, I want to come just down below her heel. And as I come around the bottom of the front of her heel, as I get to the other side, I'm going to apply just a little bit of a light stretch. Nice and light, maybe 30 to 40% as I come up the inside of her ankle. Once I get up here, I'm going to let off the tension and just lay it on her calf. And just give it a quick rub. The tape may lift off the skin a little bit on the inside, which is okay. And then the next piece is going to move in a similar fashion. I'll go a little bit more towards the top of the ankle, kind of right where the foot meets the lower leg. Once again, I'll peel back the paper off the tape. I'm going to come down just in front of the previous strip that I did. And once again, I'll come around the arch of the foot. Once I get to the other side of that arch, same thing, I want her foot angled just slightly inward. Here I'm going to give her just slight tension, 30 to 40%, pulling up and across the arch, coming across that first piece to try and lock that piece into place. And then once I get past it, no tension, coming around. And you'll see I made this strip a little bit longer, so I'm going to have her slide down towards the bottom of the table so that I could just wrap this around. But I probably could have stopped the tape as soon as it crosses the other piece. And then with her foot relaxed, I'm going to give her just a quick rub along the tape to get it to stick. Some people who have a lot of collapse through the arch of the foot, I'll pull the tape a little tighter, or I'll have them angle their foot into a little bit more inversion, so it pulls them a little more that way. And that's all there is to it.